This is the front room or the guest room that's connected with the bathroom. It has all its pieces in there. There's your front door, alarm system. Here is the garage. In the garage, it's too dark to see. Let's see here. Oh, here's the water heater is connected, and there is hot water that comes out of the faucets. Okay, sorry. Got windows, vents connected, lights. Hopefully I'm not making people dizzy. Here is the other bathroom. No, I can't get the light on in here. But kind of broken up there. But these parts are here. The toilet flushes. And it has the sink. It's missing this cabinet, but that's okay. So here, another bedroom. Ceiling fan's gone, but who cares? Laundry room. So another second bedroom. Closet, it has doors. It's missing that thing and that thing. So what, a smoke alarm and ceiling fan. Back into the main entryway. And the kitchen. There's the island with the sink. The sink works fine. Okay, look. Woo! It runs, and it runs underneath. Okay, that is missing the washing machine right there. And it has the connection for the stove. Let's see if I can back up enough for you guys to see. There's their kitchen. There's some cabinets. See, look at that whole pocket of cabinets. Connects there. Oh, someone's